Amazon is, of course, the largest online marketplace in the world. So, Bookmark has made it easy for you to connect your online store with their marketplace to sell more products. It's a simple process, so let's get right into how you can start selling on Amazon with your Bookmark store today. First and foremost, to sell on Amazon, you'll need an Amazon Professional Seller account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to visit the Start Selling section on Amazon.com. From there, to get started in connecting your Amazon shop to your Bookmark e-commerce website, you will first need to go into the Bookmark website builder and then go to Settings. Select E-commerce. Select Other Channels, then select Amazon. Click Install to install Kodisto, a program which allows you to connect your Amazon store to your website. Once Kodisto is installed, you can connect Amazon by going to your store's catalog page. The Connect Amazon button will open a pop-up and walk you through the prompts to log into your existing Amazon account to complete the remainder of the steps. Once completed, you can edit your settings anytime later in the Amazon seller account. If you follow these easy steps, you'll be all set and ready to sell on Amazon with your Bookmark website. If you're having any issues with the setup process, don't worry. You can send us a message anytime at support@bookmark.com and we'll be happy to help you out. Happy holidays!